Today we're making chilaquiles puree. Here are the ingredients: corn tortillas, cheese, eggs, your favorite salsa from any restaurant or supermarket, and your refried beans. We're using Rosarita traditional refried beans because it's already pre-mixed. If you see with liquid, you can use dry, you can use any beans you like to use, okay? As long as you have incorporated vegetable broth, that's your friend, okay? Tortillas, corn tortilla, let's toast them. Put them in a toaster oven. While that's cooking, I'm gonna turn my stove on. Medium-high heat, tablespoon of butter. While that's melting, crack the eggs. Okay, it's too high. Let's melt this butter. I'm gonna add it. So, eggs cooking, tortillas are in the toaster oven. Let's heat up the beans. Product, when they're hot, they puree a lot easier. And the beans, you know that they have that skin. So we have to get rid of that entire skin. Heat up the salsa with the beans, just half. And a little bit of vegetable broth. Microwave. Let's start with 1:20. Let's see what happened. So you see I'm using a toaster oven. I'm using the stove. I'm cooking the eggs. Look at those tortillas. Beautiful.
Is your hand out? What the heck?
They get hot, but
You ever played potato?
have you played hot potato before? I don't think you have, Brandon. You're too young for that. See, it's getting a little brown. So to avoid that, let's do this. A little vegetable broth.
What's up with you and vegetable broth? You
Because
love it, huh?
it just is a natural flavoring. It just brings the best. Look at that. Nice and hot.
Ooh.
Smoking. Eggs are cooked. Goes in the blender. Guess what goes in? The cheese. Okay. And a little vegetable broth. Put about 2 ounces. Tortilla. 3 eggs, 1 tortilla I took. Look at that. Okay, let me puree a little bit more. Okay, so before I put the eggs in the casserole dish or use souffle cups, I'm gonna put a little butter at the bottom. So a little bit there, a little bit here, just so they will come out easy. So now I'm going to add the puree eggs. Now, got it. You don't have to, Carlos, you don't have to do it on a souffle cup. You can do it on a plate. And then side by side, you can put the refried beans once we do it. I like to do it this way because it reminds me of when you do a 3 cheese bean dip, kind of the same, right? This way, for every spoon that you take, you got all the flavors. So now we have the refried beans with the salsa already hot, so we're gonna add it to the high-speed blender. Remember, guys, has to be a high-speed blender. Now the blender will do this correctly and break all the skin out of the beans. As you can see, you see the bottom of the blade? Perfect. So what I'm gonna do, I love salsa. I'm gonna add the remaining of the salsa. I'm gonna blend that, and I'm gonna thicken it with
Tortilla.
toasted tortilla. When it comes to beans and the skins, so we want to make sure before we add it, before we thicken it, that there is no skin anywhere. So it's perfectly puree. Now I'm able to thicken it. So I don't see any skin.
Right. Taste.
Never mind. Slow down, Davis. All right, here we go. Look at that. Nothing spilling. Beautiful. Okay, so we made them a souffle. So one has the beans on top with the eggs on the bottom. So when we invert it on the plate, the eggs will be on top and the beans on the bottom.
Really?
Yeah, is that good math for you? This one has the eggs on top, the beans at the bottom. When we invert it, we'll see how that will work out. I've never done it this way, so we thought, hey, let's make a challenge out of this. All right, so let's go outside, let's try it out. Okay, so first time ever done chilaquiles, and our first time doing a souffle style, so we're gonna invert it. So let's see if this inverts the way a cake will. All right, and then my turn here. Let's see what happens, okay? If it comes out, I got a little smoosh, beautiful, okay? Then let's see yours. Wait. It's coming out, beautiful, okay? Now mine, I have to help the beans comes out. There we go. So let's do taste test.
Cool.
So you do it with a spoon, I do it with a fork?
I'm gonna do it however I want to.
Really?
Really.
Okay, so these are chilaquiles. Yeah. Taste the tortilla and all the ingredients? Yeah.
I would say, yeah, you taste the tortilla. It wasn't like you just only taste the tortilla. I taste the salsa immediately. A little bit of them beans, egg, and then the tortilla.
Yeah, correct. In that order, correct? Because I added the salsa at the end, a little bit more salsa. So
that's good. Wow, I'm impressed.
Carlos, chilaquiles, for you guys, we made some challenge. Let's see what else we can do and help out. If you like what you see, please subscribe, follow us.
Hit the like button.
The like button is very important.
Keep telling us what challenges you got, and I'll keep eating them. Cheers.